Top 10 Turkish dramas with possessive or obsessive male leads you must watch in 2026. Have you ever noticed that the most unforgettable Turkish male leads are never the green flags? They're the ones who would fight an entire world just to protect one woman. They're jealous, protective, hopelessly in love, and sometimes completely obsessed. If that's exactly your type, then these are the top 10 Turkish dramas with the most possessive and obsessive male leads you need to watch in 2026. Let's get started. Number 10, Arafta Season 2 Tarankan Love. Regret. Second chances. This season takes everything fans loved about the first one and makes it even more emotional. The male lead refuses to let go of the woman he loves, proving that sometimes the strongest love comes after the deepest heartbreak. Number 9, My Home My Destiny. Mehdi is one of those characters you'll either love or hate. He's protective, stubborn, and incredibly possessive. His complicated relationship with Zeynep keeps viewer emotionally invested from beginning to end. Number 8, Uzak Sahir. Powerful families, dangerous secrets, and a hero who'll do anything to protect the woman he loves. Behind his calm personality hides a man capable of risking everything when love is on the line. Number 7, Busy Bir Se Olmaz, We'll Be Fine. What begins as an impossible relationship slowly turns into one of the sweetest slow burn romances. But as feelings grow stronger, so does his jealousy. Every episode keeps you wondering how far he'll go for love. Number 6, Hakai. No list is complete without Mirang. He entered Rayan's life seeking revenge, but ended up loving her more than his own life. His possessiveness, sacrifices, and emotional journey made Hakai one of the most unforgettable Turkish dramas ever. Number 5, Sina Beyaz Aşk. Ferhat isn't your typical romantic hero. He's cold, dangerous, and feared by everyone. But when he falls for Asli, his ruthless personality transforms into fierce protection. He'll destroy anyone who tries to hurt the woman he loves. Number 4, Life, Love, Justice. Can love survive in a world full of danger? This drama blends romance, action, and emotional twists perfectly. The hero constantly chooses love over everything else, making every episode intense and emotional. Number 3, Daha 17. Young love has never been this emotional. Filled with jealousy, misunderstandings, and unforgettable chemistry, this drama beautifully captures the excitement and pain of first love. It's fresh, emotional, and incredibly binge-worthy. Number 2, Kal Patasi, Heartbeat. Love becomes stronger with every heartbeat. The chemistry between the leads is impossible to ignore. The male lead's protective nature and growing obsession create countless emotional moments that keep viewer hooked until the very end. And number 1, Asraf Rüya. If you're looking for the ultimate possessive male lead, Asraf deserves the top spot. Powerful, mysterious, protective, and completely devoted to Nisan. He doesn't need long speeches to prove his love. His actions speak louder than words. Every jealous glance, every silent sacrifice, and every dangerous decision he makes for her proves why fans simply can't get enough of him. It's easily one of the biggest Turkish dramas of 2026. Yocak Çeni. So, which possessive Turkish male lead owns your heart? Mehdi, Mirang, Ferhat, or Asraf? Tell me your favorite in the comments below. And if you love Turkish dramas filled with obsessive romance, protective heroes, and unforgettable chemistry,